Finding water damage in your home is stressful. Rainbow Restoration is here to help. We'll be with you every step of the way till your home is restored to how it used to be. If you discover water damage in your home, simply give us a call. We answer 24/7 and begin the process immediately. Our compassionate team will ask questions to determine the best solution for your needs. Within a few hours, we'll dispatch our Rainbow Restoration team, recognizable in our branded vehicles and uniforms. Our team will respect your home using mats and shoe covers and work quickly and safely to minimize disruption. We'll start with a safety inspection. We identify and address slippery floors, trip hazards, shock hazards, or bacterial hazards if there's sewage backup. After the initial 15 to 30-minute inspection, our team will begin work at the source of the water damage. Moisture mapping helps determine what can dry in place and what needs to be removed. We'll take pictures for insurance purposes and your reference. We'll document any damaged items, taking full inventory of affected personal property. Any belongings requiring removal will be taken to a safe, temperature-controlled facility. You can rest assured everything will be returned to the right place. We'll set up specialized dehumidifiers and air movers to be left running for 2 to 5 days to promote rapid structural drying. Our team will monitor them on-site, but can instruct you how to turn the equipment off and on just in case. We'll visit each day to take moisture readings and make adjustments to the drying equipment and answer questions you have. Our team will perform a walkthrough to explain the work and next steps. Once the job is complete, you'll sign a certificate of completion and we'll collect payment or send the bill to your insurance provider. If the damage requires rebuilding, there's no need to wait. Rainbow Restoration can take care of that too. Learn more about our reconstruction services by watching our video, What to Expect, Rainbow Restoration Reconstruction Services video at rainbowrestores.com.